Have you ever wondered what makes Filmora 13 so special, and how you can unlock its lifetime activation? Well, the mystery unravels today. Filmora 13, a versatile and easy-to-use video editing software, has created a buzz in the digital market with its unique features and user-friendly interface. It's not just an editing tool, it's a platform that transforms your raw footage into a masterpiece. Now, wouldn't it be great if you could use it forever without any subscription? Unlocking the lifetime activation of Filmora 13 is a breeze, and here's how it's done. The first step is to download the latest version of Filmora 13 from the official website. It's crucial to download it from the official source to avoid any unnecessary complications. Once the software is downloaded and installed, disconnect your computer from the internet. This is a precautionary measure to prevent automatic updates which could potentially interfere with the activation process. Now, open the software and navigate to the Help tab located at the top of the interface. From the drop-down menu, select Offline Activation. You'll then be prompted to enter your licensed email and registration code. Upon entering your licensed email and registration code, hit the Activate button. A message will pop up, notifying you that the software has been activated successfully. Just like that, you've unlocked the lifetime activation of Filmora 13. After activation, it's crucial to avoid clicking the Check for Updates option under the Help tab to maintain the lifetime activation. Also, remember to keep your internet disconnected whenever you're using Filmora 13 to ensure its activation remains intact. Now let's take a moment to summarize what has been discussed. Firstly, Filmora 13 is a powerful and user-friendly video editing software that enables you to transform raw footage into captivating videos. Unlocking the lifetime activation is a simple process that involves downloading the software, disconnecting from the internet, entering your licensed email and registration code, and hitting Activate. Once activated, remember to refrain from checking for updates and keep your internet disconnected while using the software to maintain the activation. Unleashing the full potential of Filmora 13 is now at your fingertips. No more subscriptions, no more limitations. Just endless possibilities to create, edit, and share your videos. So dive into the world of Filmora 13 and let your creativity run wild.